know this year has been a crazy wild year. Went by very, very slow but fast. So it was a beautiful roller coaster of its own, and like the dragon, it's like riding the dragon. And as we transition from this dragon energy into the energy of the snake, which now starts the transformational process of shedding. So, what you have realized in the roller coaster of the dragon and caught up with your tail, now you get to release that shedding and actually step into something new. So, it's like a dual experience of next year. It's not just like shedding, but it's actually starting something new. And I'm sure a lot of you already have been having lots of creative ideas that are coming through. Maybe sometimes you're feeling something, but you're not even sure what it is. It's like unknown, but you know something's about to change. And I feel like January and February are going to be very, very potent in change. And it's going to be like a good change. It's an exciting change. It's not like a change that's like, I don't know what it is. And it's going to be dangerous. No, it's a change, a very exciting change, which I really love. I can feel it myself. It's coming up really deeply. The throat center is a very powerful center. If the second chakra is the second center, the belt that expands through our field, it has to do with karmic patterns of this physical reality. The throat center is the merger between the physical reality and the Akashic records. And what is Akashic records? This is the ethers and the memories of other timelines of your own soul's experience. And so the soul will have memories and your powers of your wisdom in that area, in the throat center. Because the throat center is the bridge, and it's the bridge between the upper heart and the higher heart, which is the higher heart I'm referring to the soul's heart. So in order to have that full third eye activation, we have to go through realization of experiences that we have accumulated from other dimensions. And they are usually in our throat center. So if you have difficulties expressing yourself, that is also not only just in this lifetime that you have accumulated, but you have accumulated this through other timelines where you're not able to express yourself. You are holding back. You are not able to receive what you wanted to express. And those experiences stay there. The throat center, I'm going to actually share this with you guys. This is from the course. Just the throat center, okay? The thyroid gland. You see the four corpuscles or glands, right? And the thyroid. And that's the inside. So that part that you guys see on the right side, the image, that is on the inside of the thyroid. The thyroid regulates the whole body and the endocrine system. But not only that it does that, but it also regulates your thoughts. So if you have a busy mind, the thyroid will be malfunctioning. The thyroid, if you guys put your the four corpuscles here, or the four glands, these glands are chakras. These chakra systems connect and allow the ether to enter. So if you put your hands like this, okay, and you grab your thyroid and you just move it side to side and push it up. Don't be afraid to push it up, like really squeeze it and push it up. It feels tight. You might have like some irritation there. Maybe you want to cough, or you'll feel it, right? So squeezing it and then squeeze it up, massage it upwards. You want to massage it upwards because there's a lot of tension there, a lot of things that you're not expressing and holding in. So they have to be stored somewhere. And sometimes we have difficulties to express ourselves because we don't want to be judged. We don't want to be felt wrong or bad or say something bad to shame somebody. And so we have to find a way to express ourselves. And the thyroid, right, will also take you to the next level. As I speak, I create. And in order to get to that level, as you speak to creation, is to be truthful to yourself. Does not mean you have to be mean or rude. The thyroid is a system where you understand, okay, I need to speak or I need to hold back. The knowingness of the truth.